Katsu curry. It's kind of a fancy dish to make at home. That's what I'm gonna make for dinner today, and I was gonna show you my whole process. From the curry, to the katsu, to plating, maybe not eating, but we'll see. We're about to cook curry and katsu. Got my Vermont curry package here. Not sponsored by them. We just love their product. They're the best. And got my veggies. Everything's ready. And I know chicken katsu on top of beef curry. It's a lot of work, but it's so delicious. And I have the time. The girls are kind of settled. Judy's in the garage working out. I just want to go for it because it's quiet down here and I don't get to usually cook both of them. I was saying this the last time because we did this not too long ago. We cooked curry the morning before, or the day before, then had chicken katsu the next day, katsu curry. I want to do both tonight, right now. Beef is whatever. This is just ground beef. I think 80-20, 85-15 maybe from Costco. The one difference is I made everything really small. So the carrots really small, potatoes really small, and then small dice of the onion, so that it's more of a sauce than like a chunky curry. It's still gonna have all the same ingredients, but yeah, just so it spreads over the rice easier, so that when I make the katsu, it is nice and nice. Beef tallow. They used to sell this at Costco, no longer though. They sell a Wagyu one. It's all good though because I have this gigantic bucket of beef tallow that I get from Costco now. So this is probably more beef than I need, but I'm just gonna cook it all. Then I can use, oh damn, the rest later. Salt, plenty of that. Black pepper, not very much left. Goal is to get that browning. Ooh, that looks good right there. That's what you're going for right here. I think that's called the Maillard effect. That's just pure flavor right there. Potato masher. Mash it down. Just gonna get it nice and ground up. Remove the meat. This beef is cooked. You know, I always wondered what ground beef from Costco is made out of. Like, what cut of the beef is used for ground beef? Is it chuck? Is it kind of a mix of a whole bunch? Definitely not ribeyes. Look at that, you want that really ground up, almost like too small look. That's gonna just melt right into the sauce. Now I'll get a little bit more fat in there. I did turn down the heat, it was on really high. I'm gonna go ahead. I'll put more beef tallow in there. Yes, there's still meat and I don't care. It's gonna be fine. Fresh pressed garlic. Get the fresh stuff. It's way better. You do not want to burn this garlic, so this is gonna be real quick sweat. That's it. Onions. Oh, I should turn up the heat. Good thing about this pot, this is a Le Creuset pot. Retains its heat, so even though I turned down the temp, it is still pretty warm. Okay, so the garlic and the onions are browning a little bit. So I've got a whole bunch of this leftover clarified butter. I'm just gonna put in there. It's gonna add some depth, some fat, and of course, gonna keep this from burning. I'm gonna turn down the heat too because I really wanna sweat these onions because I like the sweetness that comes out of onions for my dishes. That's gonna also help deglaze the pan or the pot a little bit. All right, carrots go in. As I mentioned, they're really small. This is not gonna take very long to start going. And yeah, there's a whole bunch of stuff. My all-time favorite, beef bone broth by Kettle on Fire. Gonna turn up the heat on high. Boom, 2 of them. Oh yeah, that was just in time. I am going to use some water too. There's no need to use more than 2 packs of that bone broth because it is very strong, I find. There we go. Also, I like to cut up the cubes so that they dissolve quickly. Probably should start adding the meat back in. I'm not gonna add all of it though. Like, that is enough. And then I'll use this for like breakfast. Add some more curry bricks. I always end up using more curry bricks than what I have in one box. I like a lot of sauce, so add a little more water, a little more curry bricks, and we get lots of sauce, especially for Katsu curry. You want more sauce than anything. If anybody is watching this, is from this company, I love your brand. I love it. This is the best bone broth you can buy at the store. I was so happy when I found this at Costco because it is expensive, but for good reason. It's high quality, great flavor, and bone broth is way better than like a chicken or beef stock for you. It's got more health benefits. So thank you for being at Costco. For reals. And thank you, Costco. Now the potatoes. One of the nice things about putting potatoes inside the water, some of the starch gets removed. Woo! That's hot, be careful. So I'm just gonna start dropping this in. You know, I always end up cutting way more potatoes than I need. Yeah, I don't really like too many potatoes since you're gonna put it on rice anyways. So I'll keep the rest again for breakfast or something. All right, it's looking good. Oh, probably add some more of these guys too. I do it gradually. Add the last bunch when it's ready. Gotta always test your carrots. Just kind of poke it a little bit. Carrots are softening. Potatoes, they're still really crisp, really hard, but that's okay because they will turn really quickly on you. So always be paying attention to this part. Go ahead and add a few more, just a little bit. So those potatoes and those carrots kind of snuck up on me and they are done, but I still have some curry bricks to put in, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put all of them in there. That'll be good. Stir them in, put it on the lowest heat, and the curry's done. The girls could eat this right now if they want, and then I'll continue cooking the rest of dinner. Oh my gosh, curry. It is the thing that we cook the most in this house, hands down. And I've heard a lot of Japanese do too. It's amazing. And we love our Indian curry, but of course, very biased. We just love our Japanese curry even more. And the little box, the Vermont curry, what's the other brands? I forgot what the other brands are, but any of them, easy. Carrots, onions, potatoes, some kind of beef. You can do chicken, you can do big chunks of like chuck roast and stew it, or stew meat. I didn't grow up with ground beef, but for me, ground beef is just easy. You know, you can thaw out frozen ground beef and be going to it, but be getting right into, you know, cooking right away. So done. I did ask ChatGPT and it said you could store these potatoes in the fridge for one night. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll just put them right here because that's the perfect place to store glass above your white wine, which sounds kind of good. I'm gonna have some. Shout out to the box wine drinkers. And of course, when you got that Kirkland signature, price is right, it's convenient. And when you have the white wine for cooking, it's nice. Can you check my curry since you're the curry master?
Smells so good.
Yeah, well, the girls can eat right now if they want.
I would have made it just a little thicker.
Okay.
That's it.
That's how I want it though.
Okay.
Yeah. I just want to make sure.
No, that's fine. I mean, I just maybe at least like half a brick.
No. No. Curry is ready for you if you want it.
Is the water really loud next to the camera?
Oh, with this?
Oh.
Oh, probably, yeah.
Yeah. That's one of my pet peeves.
I know, huh?
It's hearing. One of my pet peeves is hearing close on the microphone, chewing, and the sound of
Good, baby.
cleaning pots and pans and water.
Yeah, the water is really
water
loud.
is-
Yes, bath night
And fart sounds with the mouth.
is not necessary. What's that? Fart sounds? With the mouth?
The other day.
Oh, what did people say, by the way?
Nobody
Nobody said
noticed
anything?
it. Nobody. I was.
She's
I know.
hungry.
Okay, let me go get your food.
So the other day I was working out with Sean in the garage, and we We weren't competing, but we're just seeing how many pull-ups we could do. Well, when I was doing it, I was mic'd up, and I must make some breathing sounds that sound like a fart, like a whiny fart. And Judy left it in the vlog. We wanted to see if you guys noticed it. I guess no comments. She was worried that I would be worried that that sound was in there. I don't care. Anyways, honey, I'm cleaning as I go. Brussels sprouts. I'm not sitting down yet, but where it doesn't matter. Just you choose a spot, baby. Brussels sprouts cut. Got this garlic olive oil that I'm gonna put all over. I'm gonna use plenty of it. Black pepper. Some salt. That's literally all you need right there. Mix. Don't even need to touch it. I'm gonna put this in the air fryer for probably 18 minutes. Chicken thighs always, flour, egg, and of course the panko. This is the brand of panko that we like, the Japanese stuff. Honey panko, I wonder if it's sweet.
Can I use this?
Last one for me, please.
Okay, I will get you this.
Oh, that's the perfect one, baby. Thank you very much. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good to go right there. Crispy. Woohoo! Crispy, golden brown.
Look, Leo. It looks like a hamster.
Freshly made rice. Little togarashi.
3 servings for one.
Mama, what's happening?
There we go. Katsu curry. Cheers,
Really
baby.
wanted them to do Beauty and the Beast, so she got everyone to sign a paper.
Thank you so much.
I know why.